if they're all gases in a chemical reaction, right? So second point is delta S is positive if gas moles increase, because gases have more disorder. So if moles of gas in a reaction increase, so for example, you've got so you've got this reaction, which is you see calcium carbonate reacting with HCl, and it produces what? It produces calcium chloride and water and carbon dioxide. So this was solid, low entropy. This was aqueous, slightly higher entropy. This one was also aqueous, slightly higher entropy. This one is a liquid, and then you have a gas all of a sudden, and that's very high entropy. So you've got 0 moles of gas on the left side. और आपका जो right side, and then you've got 1 mole of gas. So that means in this case, delta S is going to be positive. Because your moles of gas, they ended up increasing. Okay, so your moles of gas, they ended up increasing, and delta S is going to be positive. Or vice versa, or opposite be true. Okay, so the opposite is also going to be, it's also going to be true that the moles of gas, if they decrease in a reaction. So for example, if I have another reaction in which I've got N2 and 3H2, and they react together to form ammonia. This case, what's happening is okay, my moles of gas are decreasing. So I had all of these were gases. So all of these were gases, and I had 4 moles of gas. And on the other side, I now have 2 moles of gas. So that means delta S is negative. Disorder is, so your disorder is decreasing. Okay, is this clear?
Yes.
ठीक है, ये वो मतलब कोक वाला एग्जांपल इस पे अप्लाई होता है कि like if you pour coke, all of a sudden there's a lot of disorder, there's a lot of gas bubbles being produced, and the coke might spill. ठीक है, so वो carbon dioxide gets produced, right? So when you pour Pepsi or Coke in a glass of water, the carbonate in the water, it turns into carbon dioxide. So something similar to that happens. So delta S is positive, more disorder gets created. I said, then number 3, what else in chemical reactions? What if a chemical reaction doesn't even have gases, right? So if no gas is present,